All right, on today's class, we got Bo and Jacob working on a CVT transmission on the Kimco X-Town 300. Hey, on this side, we got Michaela, Austin, Alonzo, and there's a fourth one.
I'm missing S.
Oh, okay, so it's just you three?
Yeah.
They're almost done tearing down the 1.8T. They're just left with timing components here. On Thursday, they're going to fully disassemble these engines. On this team, we got Wyatt, Roman, Victor, and Julia. Julia just hit a big goal today. She broke one of the hardest bolts on here on her own. Super high five. Hey, that's not a super high five. There we go. All right. So now they're working on taking off the flywheel so we can get this on an engine stand and get it done. Next class, they're going to be tearing these completely apart. Again, we're getting ready to get these sent out to VW Paradise to get them all machined and ready to rebuild. These guys, they did a variator replacement with rollers, and we did a checkup on all the stuff that's in there, and now they're putting it all back together. You know, big class today. What's up? Yeah. So, again, everybody doing something, everybody getting involved, having fun, getting dirty. This is what it's all about, right? Getting greasy, grimy gopher guts.
Ew. What? Yeah, totally.
All right, so they're working on it. All right. Again, PincheAls Garage Auto Class for Kids, and they're having fun. I hope you guys are having fun, right?
Yeah. Totally, yeah.
All right, coincidence.
Didn't tell that wasn't believable. Are you having fun? Are you having fun?
Yeah. That wasn't believable.